Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Lunar Classic update today. Alright, so Lunar Classic is at 11,246 and after a long time finally we've seen Lunar Classic at least making a clear break, and it happened to the downside. So the break here shows that Lunar Classic is not in a good mood, at least for now. So let me remove some of the drawings here, and it does seem that when I zoom out just a little bit like this, do you notice that Lunar Classic is printing in a bear flag? If I try to bring the line chart, it does look like you have this little bit of a side pattern going on in there, and it does look like all this thing to the downside still shows that you're looking for the very same move down, and I can expect this to happen. I've been doing some research on Bitcoin, and I've actually told people on the private that I'll make a private video on why you have to remain here for the major part of 2024, and when I'll show you, I bet if you will disagree with me. All right, and it's a research, no BS, no nothing, valid video that is about to come. So if you want to be a part of it for February, do message me, comment on this video how, right, and I'm going to just comment back on how exactly you're going to be joining it. It takes only 3, 4, 5 minutes, and that's all. Thing is, I may still expect Lunar Classic to have this bear flag. It does look like a bear flag, and that's why I turned on the line graph, and it does look like something like boom to the down from top to bottom, and you might actually drop down to 5,476 one more time. But that may be the end of it, okay? It may be the end of it, and it makes a lot of sense. If I turn on the weekly, there is a reason why this may happen, okay? And the reason being is, let's turn on the candles and let's talk about why this could actually happen. You see, you have this first fall, 1, 2, and we're talking probably about like this one being the 3rd, the 4th, and the 5th, okay? And followed by this one being your A, the B, and the final C correction from here, with probably this double bottoms here and try to move to the upside. I talked about this back in September, and I think I remember it now. Last year in September or in July, that on a higher time frame, when you look at the weekly, there is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's this falling wedge which you've broken above. So if you end up coming down here, make this double bottom one more time, you may be pushing up for a C correction somewhere down in 2024 probably after May. So it's going to take time. We're in January, so we're talking about maybe the next 4 or 5 months of another headache, and this is also due to halving or something like that. So anything that is, you know, the super good stuff of what I'm going to be buying and buying low, I think the next purchase is going to be my final purchase of this market, and I'm going to be telling you right here on the Discord with the video, which is going to be a special one. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.